My name is Hans Hansen. I'm with Fix-It SF, and welcome to another edition of Fix-It SF. Today we're going to talk about garbage cans and what is happening throughout San Francisco, frankly, all over the state of California, where homeless, unfortunately, go and rummage through these recycling bins and then create a complete waste hazard for the community. I'm standing in front of Gary and Mason Street. I walk this every morning, and it is a thoroughfare that if you look down the street, you'll see tourists located. You see the August Hall Theater, a very, very important corner. You see Mastro's across the street, a high-end steakhouse, and then you got this mess. So every morning, there's people that camp through this. You'll notice the fence has been barbed wired, and yet they still get in and they wreak havoc on this area. If you look at these cans are typically dumped first thing in the morning. And if you notice, it has a lock, but yet even with the lock, you have the ability to open them up. So what is the solution to this? So in Manteca, California, a town in the Central Valley, they too had problems eliminating garbage by dumping them onto the city streets of Manteca. So they've invested in a new can, which is called a toter, that basically has a lock mechanism such where the recycling company can unlock them, but they clip down and you can do nothing to get those open unless the recycling company basically opens them. You can throw them on the side, you could try to turn them upside down. It doesn't work. You can't get the garbage out. And this would be a fantastic thing for San Francisco to consider through their recycling program. This would eliminate a lot of hassle for our people that are cleaning the streets, and also just to maintain the streets in better condition that they currently are. This could be done in simply the areas that are most critical, the areas that you identify as having most of the problems with this. I know the Northern Captain told me a number of years ago that they know there's about 35 known homeless folks that rummage through these things. And what they do is they take these cans and just dump them. And in the morning, you'll have garbage everywhere. Here we got remnants of shoes here on the ground. But I'm telling you, every morning, this is just a disaster. And with the tourist facilities here, you know, it's impossible to leave it like this. Now, I can tell you the city does a great job. Every morning, there are people here cleaning up. But usually there's 2 or 3 people that basically are working to clean up this mess every single morning. And look at the manpower we're using to do something that we can fix relatively easily with these new toter cans that we should be looking at. So today's Fix-It SF is simple. Let's look at these cans. Let's see if they work. Let's get them on the docket to replace these cans and put these new cans in. Let's save labor. Let's keep our streets clean. It's easy. So what can you do to help? Write the mayor, write the board of supervisors, write Public Works, write articles to the editor. Let's put pressure on the city to make them aware of this possible solution to solve this problem. Take my video and send it to them. If we all en masse do these kind of pressure points, we'll get things accomplished. We can send emails, we can make contact, they'll listen to us, and then things will happen and we can fix SF. Thanks again. We look forward to next month's episode.